Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you several ways how you can speed up your Microsoft Edge web browser's performance. For instance, to fix possible performance issues, to enhance your experience as a user, to increase the speed of downloads you perform here on Edge, and in general, to make your Microsoft Edge web browser work much faster. So let us show you several approaches, guys, how you can tackle this. So with that in mind, let us get started and dive into this. So in the first step, guys, launch the Microsoft Edge web browser, be it on your desktop computer or laptop. And the first basic measure would be to simply check which version of Microsoft Edge you're currently using and to download any updates and to install it to fix performance issues. That way, to do that, here on Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots in the top right corner and click into settings here to access your browser settings. And inside your browser settings, click on About Microsoft Edge here at the bottom of that left panel. After a moment, Microsoft Edge will check if there are any new updates or new versions of Edge available online. And after that, if there are any available online, ask you for permission to download and to install these. You will see the current version below. As you can see, my version of Microsoft Edge is currently up to date. So the next step would be to disable and also to remove all extensions, browser extensions you may be using here on Edge that might be slowing down your browser's performance. So to do that, guys, click into these three dots in the top right again, and after that click into extensions here, and after that click into manage extensions. And here inside your extensions management center, simply go through that list of installed extensions and decide which one of these you would like to keep and keep running, and which one of them you would like to disable, maybe even remove if they're, for example, spammy, or if they're maybe causing lags or performance issues. You may disable them by simply toggling them off here to the right. Or if you'd like to, if you like the direct approach, simply click on remove here, confirm the removal, and get rid of the given extension. So that's step number 2. Step number 3 would be to enable the graphics/hardware acceleration. To do that, head back to your browser settings if you have them open in another tab, or click into these three dots here in the top right and click into settings here. And from here, switch to system and performance here on the left panel. And after that, click into system and make sure that this feature here, use graphics acceleration when available, is enabled. If not, simply toggle it on here to the right, provided of course your computer or your hardware can handle that. So that's another approach. Head back to the previous menu and click into performance here. And after that, customize your performance settings. For example, guys, you may enable the efficiency mode. There's one option. If you're a passionate gamer, you may use also that feature below, improve your PC gaming experience with efficiency mode as well. And last but not least, guys, you may also enable the RAM or memory control here at the bottom. Enable resource controls, toggling it on here to the right. And below you will be given the opportunity to set a maximum limit for RAM or memory Edge is allowed to use. Like, for example, you can set a maximum limit of 4 GB or 8 or whatever you like. You may also go a bit more into the detail and give Edge the command to enable that RAM control whenever you're gaming, or to keep it enabled always. So that's totally up to you. The next approach or measure would be to clear your browser's cache. Yes, it may sound pretty trivial and simple, guys, but clearing your cache or cached files and images may turn out to be pretty beneficial and have a positive impact on your browser's performance too if you do it from time to time. So to do that, click into these three dots here in the top right corner again, and after that click into delete browsing data, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Delete, and after that you will be redirected to that window here. So here select all time as your time range. If you'd like to delete the entire cached images and files, you may also go with a selection like only the cache from the last 24 hours, the last week, the last month. And here below, scroll down and select cached images and files to free up a specific amount of MB, like in this case here 211. Confirm by clicking on clear now here, and there you go. That should clear your browser's cached images and files. Next thing to do, guys, would be to make sure that pop-ups and redirects are permanently disabled or turned off here in your browser settings, because they may also have a negative impact on your browser's performance. To do that, head back to your settings, and after that click into privacy here, or privacy search and services. After that, click into site permissions, And last but not least, click into all permissions here. After that, scroll through that list and click into pop-ups and redirects, and make sure that these pop-ups and redirects are constantly or permanently blocked, which is also the recommended behavior, as you can see here at the top. If that's not the case, guys, toggle this blocking on here to the right. Next step, that's however is optional, guys, would be to disable automatic downloads. If you don't like these automatic downloads and would like to get asked by the given website up front if you're giving the permission to download, for example, multiple files at once. So to do that, head back to the previous menu here and click into automatic downloads, and make sure that this default behavior here at the top, ask when the site tries to download multiple files automatically, is enabled, so that, as previously mentioned, you will get asked every time you try to download multiple files from one website at the same time. So you may keep that enabled and toggle it on here to the right. And last but not least, guys, there are also two measures or steps you may take, for example, to improve your browser's performance significantly. But for this feature or for these methods, you will need to access the experiments feature or section here on Microsoft Edge. To do that, open a new tab and click into the URL bar at the top, type in edge // flags, again edge / flags, press enter. And here in the experiments feature, guys, use the search bar at the top, and what you want to do is enable the WebGL 2.0 version. To do that, simply type in WebGL, just like that, and below you will see the suggested entry, WebGL draft extensions. So you may enable that one here, guys. It's optional, but you may do that by clicking into that arrow down icon here and select enabled. Before you save your changes by clicking on restart in the bottom right corner, guys, you may consider also enable parallel downloading here through the experiments feature. To do that, click into that search bar at the top, type in parallel, and after that you will see that suggested entry below, parallel downloading. It will enable or turn on parallel downloading, which may improve or translate into faster downloads or improved download speed, as you can see on several device types, as you can see, not only on Windows but also on Android, for example. So to enable that one here, guys, click into that arrow down icon next to it, select enabled, and now you may save these changes and apply them by simply clicking on restart in the bottom right corner. That is going to relaunch or restart your Edge browser with all these changes now in work. And that may hopefully improve your browser's performance overall, the download speed, and fix potential performance issues. If that's indeed the case, or if it's not, guys, be so kind and let us know in the comments down below. Share your thoughts with us. With that in mind, guys, let us call it a day here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.